In today's video, we'll show you the 5 best breast lifter tapes that will shape your bust and allow you to wear your favorite backless dresses with confidence. Even if you enjoy wearing bras, they may not always be functional when you have to wear strapless tops, backless dresses, or anything with a deep V-neck. In these situations, OKELA Boob Tape's Backless Nipple Cover Set is the perfect solution for you to lift and support your breasts without the use of a bra. The tape is made of 95% cotton and 5% spandex, which is a safe and comfortable material, and has a non-woven fabric outer surface and a medical-grade silicone lining. The flesh tan color is thin and subtle, making it ideal for tops, blouses, shirts, wedding gowns, and sports bras. This boob tape is an excellent product for large-breasted women because it is wide enough to cover a large area and prevent side bulging. It can also be attached to your feet to protect your muscles during exercise and to prevent your shoes from rubbing your feet. This hypoallergenic boob tape can accommodate any cup size from A to E, and its waterproof design makes it well equipped to handle hours of sweat without coming unstuck. So, if you've ever felt restricted by your chest when it comes to clothing, now is the time to pick up this OKELA boob tape and finally overcome your fashion fears. If you want to wear plunging necklines or backless dresses without fear of a wardrobe malfunction, then the NIPPIES Breast Lift Tape is a versatile and dependable product that provides comfort and lift all day while remaining hidden and discreet under any outfit. It is made of 80% nylon and 20% elastane and is designed to feel silky smooth against your skin. Furthermore, the tape is made of a super soft stretch fabric that is comfortable to wear and can be easily cut to the desired shape and size. It also comes in a variety of colors to match your skin tone, including black, cream, caramel, cocoa, and white. You can wear the tape on its own for lightweight coverage, or with a pair of NIPPIES nipple covers for additional coverage. The strong adhesive is gentle on your skin but strong enough to stay in place and requires thorough removal. So ditch the uncomfortable bras and try the NIPPIES Breast Lift Tape, which is a must-have for any woman who wants to feel confident and stylish without wearing a bra. The Epic Elements Boob Tape is a great way to keep your breasts lifted and supported no matter how much skin is on show. The tape is made of 95% cotton and 5% spandex, which makes it very breathable and comfortable to wear, and the grid lines on the removable tape backing make it easy to cut to the desired length and shape. It also has a strong hold and adhesion, so you don't have to worry about it coming loose while you are out on the dance floor. The tape is also discreet and natural looking, so you can wear it with any type of clothing without worrying about it showing. Additionally, it is hypoallergenic, making it safe for use on sensitive skin and comes with a pair of reusable silicone nipple covers that are eco-friendly and reusable. This multi-use tape can also be used for other purposes such as lifting and tightening the skin, or preventing uncomfortable rubbing of heels and shoes. So if you want a boob tape that will keep everything in place no matter how much you sweat, then the Epic Elements Boob Tape is a great option that doesn't sacrifice comfort or style. The VBT Boob Tape is an excellent alternative to bras because it shapes your breasts without exposing visible bra lines. The tape is available in 2 sizes and 2 color combinations and is made of 95% cotton and 5% spandex, making it extremely breathable. It is also hypoallergenic, sweat-resistant, and made with medical-grade adhesive. The non-woven fabric and premium silicone used in the construction of the adhesive bra are both soft and sensitive, resulting in a skin-friendly lining. Furthermore, 2 complimentary nipple covers are included with the VBT Boob Tape, which you can customize to your liking and work well with any type of clothing. The nipple covers are waterproof even when worn while swimming or sweating. Overall, this VBT boob tape is ideal for people with large breasts, as well as those who wear A to G cups and want to fix the position of their chest to avoid the embarrassment of missing points. The Deilin Boob Tape is perfect for showing off your cleavage because it provides a great lift for cup sizes A to E. It is made of cotton and spandex, and the nipple cover is made of non-woven fabric on the outside and superior silicone lining on the inside. This invisible breast lifting tape is suitable for all sorts of deep neck dresses, and it offers contouring and shape to your breasts. It also comes handy as a safety tape during vigorous workout sessions to help you avoid injuries and is available in 5 different colors to match your skin tone. This hypoallergenic tape has a scalable design that allows you to adjust the length and width of the tape according to your needs, while the strong adhesive hold ensures that your boobs will stay in place for up to 8 hours. It is painless to remove and will not leave any sticky residue. Moreover, the stay-in-place nipple covers are sweat and water resistant and stay secured in humid and wet conditions. Whether you're wearing a backless dress or a plain old t-shirt, this tape will keep you looking fabulous all day. So go ahead and rock that backless dress with confidence, knowing you have this boob tape set to rely on.
Thanks for watching. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe. For more updates in the future, don't forget to press the notification bell.